it on.
Go ahead.
Do you see Manny? Do you see your pony Manny? Who's that? Who's that? Is it? Yes. Is that your pony? Is that? Yes. Yes. Who's that? I know, that's your pony Manny. Yes. You getting her?
Oh yeah.
She loves ponies. Hi, Manny. Come here, Manny. Come see your girl. Who's that? Is that Manny? She wants to touch him so bad. Okay.